Hi everyone, in this video I will like to show you that how you can download and install the Sword of Convallaria game on your PC. So let's get started. First you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam and the Steam will appear on the top. So you have to just simply click on the Steam website and open it. Now click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top, and if you have an account then just simply log in and the create one if you don't have an account. Then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here simply download the Steam and install into your PC. So guys, after you download and install it, open up the Steam and simply log into your account. Click on the search box you are seeing on the top and just type here the Sword of Convallaria game. And guys, this game will show on the top just like so. Just click on that to open it. Now guys, over here just scroll down and you'll see the add to library option. Just click on the add to library and then click on the OK. Now guys, click on the library option you are seeing on the top, and here on the left hand side you will find the Sword of Convallaria game. Just click on that. Now here click on the install, then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. This is how you can download and install the Sword of Convallaria game. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video because this is only motivation for me. I will see you guys in the next video.